often when I work with people and ask them to share their stories, they say, oh, my life's been boring, uninteresting, I've got nothing to say. And then you just ask a few simple questions and it unleashes these fascinating lives, everyday lives, amazing things within them, ordinary people doing extraordinary things. I want you to dig deep and think about your journey to school from your house. I've been at the Radford Day Centre for 2 wonderful sessions, and they're finding connections they didn't know amongst themselves and the staff. If you could go back now and visit your younger self, what advice would you give?
You tell him the bits that you missed. Often you were stumped along the line because you didn't do such and such. You would pass that on to them.
I don't want their stories to be lost. We need to treasure them and to learn. We've got a lot to learn from them.
Take life as it is.
That's great advice.
Yeah. Take life as it is and go on as it is.